Do you always copy text, links, or maybe even images from one app to another in your Android devices? And maybe you want to have an access to that previous text or images or link you copied from that app. You want to still make use of it in some minutes time, and you discover that the best way you can still do that is to go back to the source and copy it once again. Well, that's quite hectic. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily walk through that by using a more easier steps. That means I'll be showing you how to access the clipboard on Android devices. And before we jump into the video, if you're visiting this channel for the first time, Chibuzo Agowa is my name, and Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. So if you need more tutorial videos like this, you can simply hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I put up my next tutorial video. So once you've done that, now let's jump into the steps on how you can achieve that. I'll be using another phone, and we will be looking at my mobile view, which shall appear on the screen in no distance time, so which shall appear just now. So now what you have to do, let's say for instance I want to send a message. Now take note that this only works if you are using the Google keyboard, that's the Gboard, or the Swift key. That's how you can easily access the clipboard. So many people might be confused and say, what is the clipboard? Clipboard is simply the place whereby copied items are being stored, and this item can include text, images, and even links. So they have been stored there for a particular period of time, maybe an hour, and you can even extend the time whereby it's been stored. I'll be showing how to do that in this video. You can extend the time, maybe if you want to still make use of those text you copied tomorrow. I'll show you how you can do that in this video. So now, having done that, we'll be jumping down to my mobile. So like I said, you have to have the Google keyboard or the Swift key, and you've known what clipboard is. So once you've known, now let's say for example I want to send a text message, and let me go to the place whereby you see my Google keyboard is now appearing. I'm using an Android device, and Google keyboard is appearing right here. So from the Google keyboard, the clipboard image is what you find here. So you can see a circle is hovering over it. So that's the clipboard image. So the first thing you need to do, if you're using it for the first time, let me tap it for you to see. You can see that it is switched off. So the first thing you need to do if you want to use it for the first time is to turn on the clipboard, as it is indicated here, turn on clipboard. So you have to click this toggle key icon. You have to toggle it on. As you can see, I've toggled it on, and there are lots of information right here you see or you find before you start making use of the clipboard in your Google keyboard, or maybe even on your Swift key. It's indicated there clipboard. So now let's see, you switch, let's read the information. So the first information says, welcome to Gboard clipboard. Any text that you copy will be saved here. So that's what I've told you in the introduction of this video. And it's also said that tap on the clip to paste it in the text box. So that's how you can easily, for instance, if you saved a text or images right here on this, you just have to tap on it and it will be pasted in the app or any place you want to make use of it. Now the next notification or information there say, use this edit icon to pin, add, or delete clips. So like I told you, whereby you can still, earlier on I said you can save a text you've copied on your clipboard to last for more than 1 hour. On default, text or images or links that has been copied to the Google clipboard only stays here for an hour. So if you want to still extend the hour, this is where the pinning function comes. So use the edit icon to pin or delete clips. That is it. So no, to pin a clip, you have to touch and hold a clip to pin it. So unpinned clips will be deleted after an hour. Like I told you, the clipboard only stores images, text, or even links for 1 hour. But if you want to extend the period whereby, let's say for instance, you want to use that same copied text tomorrow, all you have to do is to pin it, and once you're done using it, you can unpin it so that other text you are copying can easily be saved to that portion. So now you know what the clipboard is, you know how to use the clipboard. Like I told you, the first thing you have to do is to turn it on. So I've turned it on, and automatically it will be turned on in all apps I'm using. Let's say for instance, let's see this one. As you can see, the clipboard is also turned on. I try to use my Google Chrome browser, it is turned on. So once you've turned it on in any application, automatically it will be turned on all various apps you have on your Android devices. So you can see how easy it is for you to access the Google Clipboard on your Android devices. So if you like this video, you can simply give it a thumb up. But if you are confused in any section, the comment section is open for you to go there and ask any question you want to ask, and I will simply put it up. And if you want to know how to turn on the clipboard, if you're using Windows 11, I actually, instead of creating a video, I created a blog post for that. So you can go to the description of this very video. You find the link to the blog post to our blog, whereby I talked on how you can turn on the clipboard on Windows 11. You can easily turn it on also on Windows 11. Then it will serve all this function it has on Android. It's also available on Windows. You can easily save your text, your links, and also your images so that you can access them after an hour. Yes, periodically. You can, like I said, if once you pin it, you extend the period by which it will be stored on your Google Clipboard. So like I said, we've come to the end of this video now, and Chibuzagwa remains my name. In case you've still not hitting the subscribe button, simply do so, hit the subscribe button, because you'll be pushed, a notification will be pushed to you via email once I put up my next video via your YouTube app, whereby you can learn things. Like I said, it's a tutorial based channel, all related to technology. I build up video periodically once I get an information that I would like to pass through you, my community, and my audience. I'll give you thumbs up for being supportive so far for this on this YouTube channel, Blog Infotech YouTube channel. Each and every one of you have been supportive. I'm giving you thumbs up. I'm giving you a bear hug, yes, because you're not part of the family, because you're hitting the subscribe button. Also, if this video you find it informative enough, give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends who want to learn how to access whatsoever they copied on their Android device after a certain period of time. It comes in handy if you edit a lot of text, if you type a lot of text via your documents or whatsoever. So this tutorial video has come to an end. See you in my next tutorial video once you've done the necessary things and become family of this YouTube channel. So we'll see in my next video. Bye bye for now.